Okay, so let me flip this around. Hey everybody, it's Brandy and I'm here in Castle Pines North with
Barry
and
Betsy.
Barry and Betsy reported a swarm today and it's in their tree. What kind of tree is that? A little
Bradford
linden?
pear.
It's a little Bradford pear tree. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna turn this around.
The bees already attracted to your trap.
There we go. Okay, so Barry's gonna try to live stream this. It won't take long. I'm just gonna shake them into this nuke box. As long as you, yeah, just don't put your finger under here because that's where the microphone is.
Right.
How are you going to get them in the box?
I shake the branch. So there, what happens is
Why are they going to go in there?
well, so the bees, when they left their hive, they filled up on honey because they're about to swarm. So they fill up on honey just like we would on Thanksgiving Day, and they take the queen for a flight. Now that they're full of honey, they are heavy. So one good downward thrust of the branch and the ball will normally drop into the box. There will be some flying around, but once that queen goes in the box, they just want to follow her. They don't want to attack you. They really are only interested in protecting their queen and balling around her. And I'll send you some videos later of some ones we did last year with like little kids standing around, and they really are happiest of happy right now. I don't want to jinx myself though. So, let me get this ladder. And they may smell this and go, oh, wax, oh.
One's already been in there.
Yeah, they're probably scouting it out like, this looks like a nice house.
Yeah.
So this is a nuke box and it's ventilated. This actually belongs to Kyle Downing. Claudia and David dropped it off at my house earlier today.
If you need somebody to hold the ladder,
I'll be good.
Betsy will have to come over.
Oh yeah, Betsy, can you come hold the ladder?
Well, not the ladder. She can hold the camera.
Seems okay, Barry.
Can you see that?
Yep.
Box of bees, anybody?
Was there a little hive on the other branch? There was another branch on the inside of that one that looked like it had some accumulation.
Well, yeah, I see it. Oh, I just broke some of your branches.
That's all right. Don't worry about it.
Sorry.
Don't flip them off.
So they'll smell their queen.
Okay.
And they'll tell all the other bees, the queen is in here.
Is she?
Yeah,
You're getting messages also.
that's okay.
Why are there still a bunch in the tree?
Well, her smell is up there. So what's going to happen is these guys will start to send the message to them that the queen is down here.
And they'll all go in the box?
Yep. I'll give them a little sugar water. They don't generally like water like raindrops or like not bees friends, but sugar water kind of sends them into grooming mode. Here, I'll take the phone and I'll video inside the box.
It's not reading anything.
Oh. They're like, give me those bees.
Something like that.
There's the bees. So I'm going to close this. And I'm sorry I broke that limb. So see where they are now on the branch? Yes, that's where the queen was. So I could actually like shake it off a little bit more. No. What they're doing is they're looking for the queen. So what they'll do is they'll do a little dance down here and they'll leave the box. And they'll probably go back up there and tell those bees to come down here. Pretty quiet.
So how are those bees getting into the box? Just through the
Little cracks like around that edge. They'll go up under
right.
that. What do you think, Betsy? I could see them on that branch again. See them?
Yeah.
See these on the end? Can you see the ones? They smell their queen in there, and what they're about to start doing is fanning, and it will. Look at this one. He's like, "What's going on?" See him looking at him? They'll let the other bees know that she's in there. I'll send you the video too. But they're really calm inside there.
Yeah. Not so calm up in the tree.
No, but they will calm. The more the ones down there tell the ones up there that she's in the box, then they'll follow. So anyway, yep. I want to let everybody know that June is statewide Colorado Pollinator Month, and if you will click on #PollinateCO, you can find out more about bees and pollinators, in addition to reading about the new Colorado Pollinator Highway that runs along Highway 76 from Denver all the way to Nebraska. It's a House bill that just passed for creating a pollinator-friendly superhighway. And that's a wrap.